Hi guys, welcome to FB Auto Poster. Let me demonstrate the FB Auto Poster. FB Auto Poster is a dynamic tool for everyone who is in the internet marketing business. The main requirement of any online business is to get traffic. Whether you are running a blog or monetize it with AdSense, or you are doing a affiliate marketing, or you need business leads, or even you want to promote and get likes on your Facebook pages, or you want to build up your list. The FB Auto Poster is your need to do all these things autopilot. Yes, you need not do all these things manually. It will automatically do all these things. Even while you are asleep, yes, you listen it right. So what FB Auto Poster can do for you? It is a very effective tool and you can't ignore it if you are in the internet marketing business. Yes, if you are in the internet marketing business, you can't ignore this powerful tool. So what you get? What you get from FB Auto Poster? So let me tell you in short. So first thing, you get instant traffic and links to your content. Yes, of course, you will get traffic instantly with one click. Isn't it amazing? The second thing, you will post real size images, videos and links with full preview. Not like other auto poster who just post small thumbnails. And the most amazing features of this script is it will manage unlimited Facebook accounts, groups and campaign. No need to spend more to purchase multiple accounts. No. With FB Auto Poster, you can manage unlimited Facebook accounts, groups and campaign. I want to repeat it again. Unlimited Facebook accounts, unlimited groups and unlimited campaigns. So now the beautiful feature is it is 100% safe. It's built-in feature to prevent Facebook block. 100% guaranteed safe. The script use a Facebook application that will post using the Facebook Graph API, the latest Facebook Graph API, and we guarantee that your Facebook will not block your Facebook page or your profile, guaranteed. And now, yes, post you can post to thousands of Facebook groups on autopilot in single click, 24 hours and 7 days, even when your computer is off. Yes, and you don't need to pay monthly fees, one time cost only. You have to pay only one time, no need to pay any monthly fees. So it is 10 times better and cheap than other group posting softwares available in the market. So guys, FB Auto Poster is the best auto poster script in the market that allow you to schedule your post on Facebook wall, fan pages or groups. It runs in background and posts your ads on autoplot even when your computer is off. So guys, let's start a tour that how FB Auto Poster works. So this is the dashboard of FB Auto Poster. You can manage the script from here. First, you need to add a Facebook account. and I tell you that it is very easy. Just click on here on Facebook account and then it will show you your existing accounts. So these are the existing accounts, or you can add a new account from here. Yes, of course you can add unlimited accounts. I want to repeat, you can add unlimited accounts. So let's start the most amazing part of this script. Let's import your Facebook pages and Facebook groups here automatically in single clicks. Yes, just click on the renew access button and it will automatically import all your Facebook pages, and of course you can add unlimited groups here. Here you can choose which group you want to import or which you want to not, you don't want to. So import selected groups, or you can leave it. If you want to leave, you can leave them. So import selected groups. So 22 groups were successfully imported. And yes, you can add more group later. It's up to you. If you want to add more group, you can. So now you can see here your groups. These are your groups which we imported recently. Isn't it beautiful? And these are your fan pages. So now come back to the dashboard. You can see the entire Facebook group by clicking here. So this is the save post area. Here you can save your messages, ads which you want to post on Facebook group. So click here and you can see here I have already added some messages and my post. So just create a new list and give the name and the description and create the list. So now add button and paste your message here, whatever you want to post. Hi, I am trying dynamic FB auto poster. Please visit here www.google.com and just save message. Your message has been saved. So it is up to you that what you want to post, an image, a link, or a simple text. It will post the real size image and link with preview, with full preview. Now smile. So now let's create a new campaign. Click here, create a new campaign, give the campaign name. It will tell you that the campaign name is already exists. So now this name is available. Choose your Facebook account. Right now I have added only one, and when you add more account you can choose it here. So where you want to post on Facebook fan pages, then you can click here, or if you want to post on groups you can select here and you will in which group you want to post. you can choose. You have all the freedom. If you don't want this group, you can. So here you can message list to choose. Here you can choose your message list, where we choose the message which we saved earlier. So choose whether message will be posted consecutively or randomly. Now, campaign enabled by default, yes or no. And now this is the most important and most dynamic feature of this script, and you can say this is the backbone of this script. Yes, you can schedule your campaign here and you have a lot of freedom. One message every, you say 1 minute, you can 5 minutes, you can set it 10 minutes, you can set it 20 minutes, it's up to you. 120 minutes, it's up to you. One message every per hour, one message a day, one message every month on day 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 25th. It's up to you where you want, what you want to select. One message every week on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It's your choice. One message on specific date. You can. It's up to you. So, isn't it beautiful? So, you can choose the time or the date or the hour or even the minutes from here for your schedule posting. So, with the freedom of FB Auto Poster, you can post to thousands of Facebook groups on autopilot even when your computer is off. Isn't it a miracle? And yes, of course, you can add unlimited campaign. And here you can see your existing campaigns. So this is existing campaigns. So you can see here script database, con job command, logs, and instant post. Yeah, this is another most important feature. So the auto FB Auto Poster is loaded with useful features, each one with its own meaningful purpose. We'll listen to our user and integrate their features request on the regular basis. FB Auto Share is not only built by us but also by our users. So this is the instant post. You can post instantly from here. Insert your message from message list. So here you can choose your message list, or you can type your message here and post now. It's so simple, no need to worry. So guys, I hope you love our Facebook Auto Poster.